Hey there operators, I'm Josh with Dig Pig Products, and today I'm going to show you how to properly refresh your silencer nozzle. But before we get too far into it, there are a few things you're going to need. Starting off with our silencer refresh kit. Now it's very important that the number on your refresh kit matches the number on your silencer. In this case, I have a number 4 refresh kit and a number 4 silencer. The next thing you're going to need is a cover seat carbide tool. Then you're going to need a 1/2-inch ratchet, and finally, a 1-inch wrench. An adjustable will also work though as well. Now the first thing we're going to do is go ahead and take apart our silencer nozzle just by taking the cover off, turning it to the left. Just like that. We'll remove our inlet and we'll take out our beautiful rotor here. In this case, you can see a lot of wear and tear, so we'll put that over here to the left. The next thing we're going to remove is our seat. We're going to do that by grabbing our housing here and taking our cover seat carbide tool, placing it on the top, and then just pressing down like this. Boom. Like that, we've removed our seat. We can put that over here with our old rotor. The next thing we're going to do is take off our ORB from the inlet to remove that filter coin. There's our ORB. There's our filter coin. And inside of here, you're going to see an orifice bolt. We need to remove that too. So we're going to take our ratchet here with our 1/2-inch bit, and we're just going to unscrew it. Just like that. We'll go ahead and place that with the other old parts here on the left. Now we need to go and grab the new pieces. The new pieces are just inside of our refresh kit here. The first thing we're going to replace is the orifice bolt. So we'll take our 1/2-inch wrench, put the new bolt inside, and righty-tighty inside. Just like that. Then we're going to go ahead and put our filter coin back inside, ensuring that the screen is up. Then we'll grab our ORB, place that on top, and screw it back in place. All right, and there we go. We have our ORB attached to our inlet. The next thing we need to do is replace all of these O-rings, and each O-ring does have a specific place. So as I take these off, I will lay them in order down on the table. The next thing I'll do is ensure that this little ring that comes separated from all the other ones goes on top. That's very important. So let's go ahead and take these O-rings off. Starting with the lowest one here, put a little pressure on it, take our little cover seat tool and pull it right off. 1. Grab our second one here. There's 2. Then we'll grab this little guy here. Again, putting a little bit of pressure on the back of the O-rings does make it easier for them to come off. And finally, the top one here. Now this one is the special one that comes in the bag, so keep that in mind when you're taking this apart. There we go. Okay, now we have our 4 different O-rings here in their various sizes, and we're going to go and replace them in the same direction. So the big one came off, now we're going to put the big one down on here. It goes all the way down to the very bottom. The next one is that medium-sized one, so we'll put that down here again, rolling it all the way down into its position. Pass the threads. There we go. Boom. Number 2. Then we'll grab our number 3 here. Bring that over the top. This one might be a little difficult to get over the top there. You can use your cover seat carbide tool to move these guys into the right position if you need to. There we go. And finally, we can open up our bag here and grab the last one. Just like that. And there we go. We've put all of our O-rings in place. Now the last thing we need to do is just replace that seat. So we're going to grab our cover seat carbide tool, we're going to grab our brand new seat, and we're going to put the flat side facing up. Then we're going to take our cover here and just line up our ridges with the inside of our housing, just like that, and then press in. Boom. We have fully seated our seat. Now we can take our new rotor, place it on top of our inlet, and then just press down with our cover and screw it back together. Make sure she's hand tight, and there you go. You have fully refreshed your silencer nozzle and you're ready to get back to work. Dig Pig Products, built by operators for operators.